Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your very own at home all natural teeth whitening strips. But before I move into the recipe, make sure you hit the subscription box below if you haven't already subscribed. So all you need for this remedy is some baking paper or aluminium foil, a little bit of turmeric, and any white toothpaste. I didn't show the brand because I shared this recipe on my Instagram and one of my dentist friends actually doesn't believe in this brand, so I just thought I'd cut it out altogether, but just substitute this part for any toothpaste that you prefer, and then all you need to do is apply the toothpaste to the strips, and then we're basically putting on like a pinch of turmeric. You only need 2 strips, obviously, per mouth. I made 4 because I'm going to be sharing it. So all you need to do is, have normal clean teeth, and then you're going to put these strips on. We are actually going to leave these strips on for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to just take them off. Once you do take it off, we're going to add a little bit more toothpaste, to our toothbrush, and you're just really going to, brush your teeth to get all the turmeric off. This will not stain your teeth. It really does whiten the teeth instantly. And after you do this, you can also do some oil pulling for the added health benefits. And that is it, guys. This remedy is amazing. Make sure you try it and let me know in the comments below if you do try it. Thank you for watching. Bye.